Blizzard Entertainment began in 1991 as Silicon and Synapse, founded by Alan Adam, Michael Morhaime, and Frank Pierce. Their early projects included ports and original titles like The Lost Vikings and Rock and Roll Racing, which showcased their talent for polished gameplay and humor. In 1994, they released Warcraft: Orcs and Humans, pioneering real-time strategy games and laying the foundation for a legacy. Subsequent hits like Diablo and StarCraft redefined genres. Blizzard's focus on community, storytelling, and quality cemented its influence, shaping modern gaming culture globally.